Here's how to safely overclock your Nvidia GPU in one click using the official Nvidia app. Open the Nvidia app. Download it from the official Nvidia website if you do not have it yet. Once inside, click the System tab, then select Performance. You will see an automatic tuning option with a toggle. Click it to enable it. A disclaimer will appear explaining that your screen may briefly flicker during the tuning process. This is completely normal. Click Agree and Continue. Confirm any permission prompts. The app will now automatically scan your GPU and find the best stable overclock for your specific card. This process takes around 45 to 60 minutes, so leave your system running and let it complete. Do not interrupt it. Once finished, the app will show you the new clock speed it achieved. The performance gain depends on your GPU. Desktop GPUs with stock cooling typically see a more noticeable improvement than laptop GPUs, which often already run near their thermal limits. This method is safe. It is Nvidia's own official tool, uses tested parameters, and does not void your warranty unlike manual third-party overclocking. It is the best starting point for anyone who wants more GPU performance without touching advanced settings. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.